Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Only we're not in my garage today. We're in my 66 Fairlane. And we're going to drive around the Woodward Loop. It's a section of Woodward that goes kind of south to north, and then loops around and goes north to south. It's part of the Michigan roadway. I believe it was the first paved road in America. A lot of historical facts and values on it. You'd have to Google it, look it up. Okay, the car has a 347 hydraulic roller cam, headers, RPM, I can't talk today, RPM air gap intake, and instead of a carburetor, I have a Holley Sniper EFI throttle body system on it. 391 gears and automatic overdrive trans. Now I'm going to try to show you on a map where we're going and where we are. This is a map of Detroit, and this road running up here on an angle is Woodward, or M1, Michigan 1, Michigan's first road. And the Dream Cruise starts here, 9 Mile in Ferndale, and it runs all the way up to Pontiac. And in Pontiac, this is where the road loops around and then heads back down. And it's about like 16 or 18 miles from Ferndale to Pontiac. And today we're going to go around, well, I can't seem to get this to focus right, but we're going to go around that loop. And this loop is just full of tire marks from all the burnouts. Burnout cars, not burned out. Well, I guess they're burnout people too, but didn't have to have a classic car to do a burnout. Anything that would did. People would hold signs up saying light them up, burn them out, and they got what they asked for. This massive burnouts all day, and this ride along is going to be just to kind of focus on the road. I'm going to see if I can get this camera on my phone actually to get a view of the road through my windshield. Now I already tried doing this with holding the camera outside the window, and that was bad. It was just ungodly wind noise. Okay, let me start this up. Don't know what the noise is going to be like, but it's got to be better than it was. Here we go. Alright, we're going to start, like I said, at the bottom of that loop part. I'm off Woodward right now. I'm just on some industrial side street. And it looks like the camera's going to be bouncing around, but you're just going to have to deal with it. Not much I can do because I don't have fancy equipment. I got this cheap, tiny handheld tripod thing and my iPhone. And a lot of YouTubers have massive cameras and equipment. Of course, they're making $1,000 a day doing YouTube. I'm not. Anyways, we're coming up to the beginning. I'm going to try to go slow enough so you can see this. But on each side of the road, there'd be people just lined up all over. Here you can see some marks here. And it's 4 lanes here, 4 lanes of tire marks. And they just be lighting them up and burning all day long here. It's just one big smoke screen. And they had some bleachers up in these grass areas. And they were doing something really stupid, then they'd get you. But if they just, people would just do like a line lock burnout or a brake torque and, you know, short, they left you alone. Okay. I should have been trying to clock the distance around this loop, but I wasn't that smart. I'm only going 30 miles an hour and there's a car behind me, but they're going around. The thing is, it's really odd to drive on this road without full traffic. See, this is a Monday around 1 in the afternoon or so, and there's not many people out here. But Saturday, this was 4 lanes of bumper to bumper, stop, wait, and go traffic. People everywhere, all yelling and screaming, light them up, burn them out, and holding signs up, and then they come out and dump water on the road so you get a better burnout, smoky burnout. And it just went on all day. And I'm just trying to show you some of the aftermath. Yeah, a lot of it's worn away because it was 2 days ago and it rained, but there's still plenty of tire marks to be seen. Trying to see what street I'm at right now, and I don't see a street sign. I know I'm on Woodward. I believe this is M59 that we're about to cross. Yes it is. Okay. And next light will be University Drive. Okay, we got a green light. Look at some tire marks here. Little ones here, but on the left is a good area where they were pouring some water on the road. Here it's coming up. Of course the shadows are going to mess with it, but you get the idea. That road's all black, tire marks, and then people will be at this red light, and then all the spectators would be running in between cars, you know, yelling, light them up, pouring water down, and people would be sitting there burning out, and it's just massive smoke screen. Okay, let's see, coming up on this light, lots of tire marks, especially on the other side of the light, right in here. I don't think the camera's got a good angle at this, but you know, it is what it is. You're getting the idea. And I just looped around the top part of the Woodward Loop, and I'm going to be going back kind of southeast here soon. In fact, am I crossing M59 again? No. Caesar Chavez Boulevard. Okay, M59 is still in front of us. Wait for light change here. Here we go. Traffic to work did not put up with any kind of drag racing. That would immediately get pulled over tickets. But these little burnouts seem to be okay. Alright, what did we just cross? We just crossed Orchard Lake Road. And I'm not, maybe, what? I'm going to have to guesstimate a mile or so away from where I started. A lot of donuts there. Might have been going too fast for the camera, but that whole area was full of donut tire marks. These look like these burnouts here. But just, it's a wonderful place to come and watch the Dream Cruise. Just come up here to Pontiac where got all the grass on both sides. A lot of places would let you park in there for $10 or $20 so you can come and go during the day. People are cooking food, you know, barbecuing chicken and ribs and things like that. Businesses were open, restaurants open. Of course, some of those had long lines. And here's where I started, at this industrial street called Turk, T-U-R-K. So I'm going to pull back down this street and turn the camera off. I'm going to have to watch this video, see if I need to redo it.